This is one of our projects that we've recently completed. We just branded the Twist Electrical wholesalers branch in Vredenburg. This is the Contravision on the door. This is a stacker door. Sorry, it's a sliding door that we did for Twist Electrical. This is their designs, trading hours, different logos. This is a Contravision, also known as one-way vision. Right on top, we have a 3D acrylic fabricated signage in yellow and white. This is going to be lighting up at night, controlled by the existing day-night switch. Beautiful sign, beautiful sign. We can also do the same for you. Beautiful sign. As you can see on our vehicle, those are the services that we do, some of the services that we do. On the left hand, we also have a single door, aluminum single door. We branded this one with the African continent. We then put in the store locations at the bottom. We have on the two windows some pictures of bulbs and some electrical components. So basically, this is what we can do for you. Yes, you can see there the two thunderbolts, or the four thunderbolts, showing or denoting the locations where the stores are located. And at the bottom, we have the actual store addresses: Pretoria North, Roslyn Shop, Langebaan, Vredenburg. These are the Twist Electrical shops. All of those are done in Contravision, printed in Contravision. So this is what we can do for you. This is what we can do for you. Those are our contact numbers and contact email address. You can contact us. Beautiful branding, beautiful branding. We are the signage shop you can trust.